Hi friends, today I am going to tell you how our earth became supportive of life, living things and biology. Would you believe if I say that this has become possible only as a result of great catastrophe and deep destruction that enabled life to thrive, evolve and thrive and proliferate. There's about 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized planetesimal, you can called Theia, collided with Earth at an angle of about 35 to 45 degrees. This impact also tilted our planet by about 23.4 degrees from its vertical axis. The result of this impact melted both Theia's iron core and Earth's iron core. In this process, a large portion of Theia's iron core fused with Earth's iron core, resulting in enlargement of Earth's magnetic core. The remaining melted debris, matters and other gases of Theia, together with the matters and debris from Earth, formed a disk and later on coalesced into the Moon. The gravity and tension between Earth and Moon resulted in Earth's wobble-free revolution, Moon acting as a stabilizer. The tilt enabled Sun's rays to fall all over the latitude of the Earth, thus causing seasonal and climatic changes. Earth's and Sun's gravity pull the Moon, in turn causing ocean's waters of the Earth to bulge due to the gravitational pull, thus mixing of the ocean's waters in all the directions in X and Y axis. This created and enabled distribution of all nutrients and other minerals. This can be compared with, you might know that people when they rear fish in their fish tanks, they keep stirring the water, which is known as the aeration of water. And also besides that, once in a way, they have to change the entire water because the water gets intoxicated because of the refuse and waste from the living things, fish. So they have to change the entire water. But Earth, with such huge, nearly 2/3 of the surface occupied by water, such a big water tanks, how they can be mixed? This is where the Moon is acting as a stabilizer of Earth's revolution, and the Sun's gravitational force, together with Moon's attractive forces, cause the waters of the ocean to bulge forward. And moreover, Sun's rays falling over the latitude, causing seasonal climatic changes, which paved way for, together with the nutrients of the ocean, paved way for the cyanobacteria's evolution in the waters, which in turn used sun rays to introduce the universe's first ever food production technology, what we call as photosynthesis. No photosynthesis, no life. No food, no life. Using sunlight, releasing oxygen into the atmosphere for billions of years, forming an atmospheric envelope of gases all over the Earth. Atmosphere is a well-balanced envelope of gases surrounding our planet, and its gas components are in the following order. Nitrogen, the most inert gas, almost 80%. Oxygen, around 20%. And the balance argon and other gases, etc., at parts per million levels. Aided by the atmospheric oxygen getting dissolved in waters by the actions of Moon and the Sun, the biological oxygen demand having been met with the help of dissolved oxygen, life started thriving in the ocean as well in the dry areas. This is how terrestrial and first aquatic life, and then it spread to terrestrial area. They not only thrived, also started proliferating, where the Sun plays a most crucial role in nurturing life on Earth. Thus, Earth became the only planet in the observable universe to support life and biology. This is very, very strange and unrepeatable combination of factors which helped evolution of life and biology. This is certainly not by planning, but a strange phenomena occurring after great catastrophe and destruction. The existence of such rare combinations are exponentially none anywhere in the observable universe. This clearly explains why we are all alone in the universe. Our every attempt to find a civilization other than ours is always greeted with silence. Moreover, space travel and intergalactic travel are unthinkable due to biological and energy requirements, various other constraints. Propulsion and deadly radiation constraints. As a biological being, the following are conditions to stay alive and living: water, oxygen, and food for energy. And the environmental temperature is another important thing. The temperature range should not go, say, the ideal temperature to survive is minus 10 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees plus Celsius. Our Earth is an ideal place meeting all these requirements, and an atmospheric pressure of say 14 point and kgs, 1 kg per square inch, and 1 g gravity. Above all, the sun to provide energy and the moon to stabilize the revolution of Earth. That is how life is sustained. Nowhere else in the observable universe such conditions exist. In space, the average temperature is 2.7 Kelvin. No gravity, gravitational force, only microgravity, heavy vacuum, heavy cosmic radiation, no oxygen at all. Totally sterile. It is very cruel and unforgiving. Life cannot sustain in space at all. No amount of future technology can ever win over the space constraints. The moment we leave our planet, space, time has different meaning altogether. We are limited by our biological fragility and time. We human beings have evolved on Earth with one gravity protected from, 1 g gravity protected from external radiation by Earth's magnetic core, which deflects all such radiation. Oxygen generated by billions of green plants over billions of years for breathing, with a very fragile biology and a brilliant brains. Earth is our only home. Let us preserve it. Thanks.